Hi guys, once again come over to my YouTube channel Brahma Tour Adventures. Today I will take you to different roads of New Delhi, near around Connaught Place, in its buildings and roads. I'm now going through the Santi Fort, which is very post area, and that is in the Sanai Kofri area of New Delhi. And both sides of this road, and there's embassies of the so many nations of the world are here. And that is I'm on the South Avenue, and that is President's house. So you can see over here I'm going through Darashiko Road. नोंथांमोनखौ आंनि YouTube channel Brahma Tour Adventures आव बरायबाय। दिनै आं नोंथांमोनखौ नि दिल्लीनि Connaught Place जायगायाव थानाय गुबुन-गुबुन जायगाखौ आं खिन्थिगोन। We are approaching now to India Gate near Parliament House and the South Block and North Block of the Prime Minister's office, which is the very important place, and that is Parliament House. Maybe Parliament House no, or South Block or North Block nai Bay Building, there Prime Minister ni office dongo. Then we are now stopping in the red light in front of the Parliament House. Parliament Bhavan ni sigang jeng red light awhai jeng the tatani dongo. Yeah, and that is the Le Meridian, the 7-star hotel. Be a 7-star hotel Le Meridian, and that is All India Radio and National TV Center. Be All India Radio and National TV Center here on the way to Connaught Place, and we are going through all this very important area of New Delhi near around Connaught Place, and that is the Palika Bhavans. Be a Palika Bhavan, that is NDMC office of 20-story buildings is here, and that is Connaught Place, Palika Market, underground market, and that is Connaught Circus area, and these are the roads, Delhi roads, a lot of vehicles, and both sides of the road we can see over here all the garments, dresses as being put up, and that is very important, the Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, which is very beautiful Gurudwara of Sikh people. It is considered to be the second golden temple of Sikh people. Be a Bangla Sahib Gurudwara because 90 golden temple we can get here the langas and both the morning and evening time. Yeah, that is Bangla Sahib Gurudwara, very beautiful Gurudwara you see here. We can see over here so golden color. There is very beautiful be a Kop Shamaina Gurudwara, Sardar Purni be Gurudwara. Beau jeng jun nunamandang bohai Shonani Rongni Gurudwara via Bangla Sahib Gurudwara Hannai Sardar Purni Sibigrano, and that is we are on the Janpad Road, and that is Antrik Bhavan on the right side, the huge building, and that is in the Janpad Market near this Handloom Hut. We are in the Handloom Hut now. Thank you.